5 incredible websites for content creators. We are excited to share 5 incredible websites that will elevate your design and visual content creation. So without wasting my time, let's jump right in. So the first up, we have vector.com, and it's a powerful web-based vector graphics editor that allows you, as you can see this place, that allows you to create and customize stunning vector-based images and illustration. Whether you need to design logos, icons, or other graphical elements, Vector has got you covered. And next on the list is Photocure.com. It is an impressive web-based image editing software similar to Adobe Photoshop. So let's check this out. Open with a wide range of tools and features. Photocure lets you edit and enhance your images with ease. From adjusting colors to applying filters and effects, it is a versatile tool for your image editing needs. Now, let's talk about Canva. It is a game changer for graphic design. Canva offers an intuitive interface, a plethora of templates, and a vast collection of design elements. Whether you are creating social media posts, presentation, or marketing materials, Canva has everything you need to design professional looking visual. And the last part is, it is a drag and drop editor that makes it user friendly for designers all level. Moving on to pixels.com. If you are searching for stunning visual, that is photos or videos, Pixel is the best place to go. It is a stock photography platform that provides a vast collection of quality image, royalty-free images and videos. Whether you are a designer or content creator, Pixels offers a treasure trove of visual to enhance your projects. With convenient search features in diverse categories, finding the best visual is a breeze. Last but certainly not least, we have the nowproject.com. This website is a good mine. Icons and photos or images. The Now Project offers an extensive library of visual representation for various concepts, objects, and ideas. Whether you need icons for your projects, presentations, or any creative projects, the Now Project has got you covered. Browse through categories or search for specific icons to find the best or perfect visual element. And there you have it. 5 incredible websites that will take your design and visual content creation to new heights. Whether you are designing vector graphics with Vector, editing images with Photocure, creating stunning visuals with Canva, royalty-free images on Pixels, or exploring a vast collection of icons on the Now Project. These websites are a designer's dream come true. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel for more content like it. And as always, happy designing.